Now I'm pretty far along in the game, and I've actually never played with this melee weapon. Yuck! Ew!
We may have a problem here.
Yeah, I think so, Paladin Dan. Really? Guy in a power armor with a ripper. Guess this looks very good against metal. That's it, take that. Okay, well, there's a plasma grenade to your face. Paladin Dance, give me orders. Take a look at this. Raiders. Who's gonna attack a guy in a power armor with a ripper? God dang. Oh, he's a metalhead. Oh yeah, it's a mysterious stranger. You don't have any armor. Oh yes! Thank you, mysterious stranger. Now back to you. Oh, thank you, Paladin Dance. Anybody else around here that wants to get a piece of this ripper? Come on. Just getting started. And you have a wasteland Brahmin enjoying a little nap.
We wanted to thank all those wastelanders who let us sleep in their beds when we're resting and not carrying all their crap. Thank you.
Oh, they're gonna be tricky, huh? Gonna booby trap this door? Haha! I'm not level 70 for nothing. Alright. I got 99 body moves. I can practice. So much easier in the movies. Ha! There you go. Oh, I see a mine. Rats! You know, what is it about Fallout games and all their bathrooms and toilets? Well, at least I gotta collect some currency here. Some explosion didn't blow up the booze. It did blow up the chem lab either, huh? Come on, Paladin Dance. Oh, another locked door.
Yes.
Huh! Look at this layout! Mannequins. Alright. Oh, that worked. That didn't work.
If you keep hoarding that garbage, you're going to slow us down.
Oh, shut up. Ooh, what's this? What's on down here? Interesting. Oh, a robot. Uh-oh. Bull rats. Well, that worked. Well, that kid was loaded. This Ripper's really nice. Well, that's all I gotta say about the Ripper. Till next time.